Running LinkedIn event invites manually one by one? Stop it. Here's how to automatically invite hundreds of your first-degree connections to a LinkedIn event. I'll show you the exact setup in Linked Helper, use cases that actually convert, and message templates you can copy. So let's get started. Let's start creating a campaign. We'll use empty campaign. And we'll add the first action in the sequence, invite person to event. Here you need to paste event URL or ID. You need to find it on LinkedIn, so go to the event page and copy that link to paste it into the Actions General tab. And yeah, make sure the event is public. You can't invite to private events or events that are completed. Also, you need to be an organizer or at least attend this event. About your target audience, you can invite first-degree connections, so you can collect from my network and then also apply other filters like keywords for title to find only those who will be interested in your event. Okay, now let's upgrade the campaign a bit, warm up our leads first. So I'll add about the invite to event action, the like and comment action. This warms up your leads and increases conversion. Then, after invite arrives, let's add a delay, like 1 or 2 days, and then a follow-up message. Here I'll say something like this. Well, hey, wanted to check, did you see the invite that I sent to our event? No pressure, it would be great to see you there. Okay, now in check for replies, we set another delay. Now let's wait for 2-3 days. And then if there is no reply, we can send a subtle nudge, a friendly reminder. And it can be something like this. If the topic matters to you, you can join the event via this link. And you paste the link once again here. And something like, otherwise, I won't bug you again. And just like that, that's your sequence. Now let's go beyond tech and let's talk about use cases and who can actually use this workflow. First one, lead nurturing. Reactivate cold leads by inviting them to an industry talk or roundtable. If they were previously unresponsive, an event invite can seem like a softer touch. And here's what you can write. We are running a small roundtable on LinkedIn lead generation, so you might find it useful. Would love your perspective. And yeah, don't forget to send the second message in a couple of days, like a soft reminder here. And well, you can ask a question to spark conversation and boost success. Something like, quick question, what outcome are you hoping to get from sessions like this? By the way, here's a link to the event I mentioned. Please join, would love to see you there. Next, partnerships. Invite potential partners to a panel or a community meetup because a shared stage builds trust and fast collaboration. And hiring webinar. Recruiters can target first-degree employees in specific roles and invite them to a hiring Q&A event. After invite, follow up with something like this. Hi, we are hosting a Q&A about opportunities at Linked Helper. If you are interested in exploring, join the event, here's a link. By the way, we also have a predefined campaign template to invite people to an event, so you can use that as well. So invite to an event action is great for webinars, recruiting, partnerships, and reactivating cold leads. Set it up, personalize follow-ups, and watch your conversion improve hands-free. Try it with Linked Helper today.